Hi, welcome to my channel again. Now I reviewing the Lifetime Carbide 12 pieces router beat set from Harbor Pride. The brand is Lifetime. So they cost me, I believe it's $29.99. If you have the coupon, you have a little discount on that one. If you are out of the budget like me, this one is good. It's very decent price and there's like quality too. So the how do you open this one? This one, it comes with the like plastic clear cover. I'm gonna show you. So for this, how many pieces is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 router bits. But the most commonly used this one is this one. The 1-port round robber, 3/8 round robber, round dabber, and the most useful on this one is this trimming. The size of this one is 1 port, and this one is with bearing. The mostly always use it every now and then. This one and the one will sit right here. So this one is like very budget router bits, but in a price is good, it's quality. I just pass one try to my pan router, but it works really good. It's very smooth. There's not that much heat cups on it, so I'm gonna show you. So this one is the actual cutting of the router bits. See, it's very smooth. There's no any hiccups on it. So this one is a very friendly budget router bit that very low price, but hopefully it is very quality and hopefully it lasts, because this one is it says Carbide, and there's some maximum RPM right there that you can use it. So there's a mark on the back. So hopefully you like this video, so please subscribe after you watch this video. I'm out, and good luck. Be safe. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching my video.